How to fix Disney Plus error code 39. 1. Reloading the video. 2. Rebooting your device. 3. Uninstall then reinstall the Disney Plus app or reset your Apple TV or AndroidTV. 5. Power cycle your console. 5.1 power cycle the Xbox, 5.2 power cycle your PlayStation console. 6. Remove the in-game capture device such as Elgato, or even Blu-ray discs. 7. Change the HDMI cables or port. 8. Log out of Disney Plus on all other unused devices. 9. Try a different supported streaming device. 10. Check Disney Plus server status and contact Disney Plus support.